Hello everybody. Today we're going to be looking at how to disable your Instagram business account. First, come to your profile and find the button that is called Edit Profile. Press on it and then come to bottom and you're going to have to click on the blue text called Personal Information Settings. Press on that and then it comes to a page that shows your personal details. Press on Account Ownership and Control. And there are two options here. You can either deactivate your account temporarily or you can delete your account permanently. The choice is yours. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.